Have you been in the castle before?
No.
Are you excited?
Super excited.
Hi guys.
No.
Say something.
Something.
So and show you guys.
The fact that you live with the ducks and you don't eat them, the goose, the duck, you don't eat them.
Do you like it?
Yeah, very nice.
Do you like it, Pasca? Good morning guys. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. So today we are on a road trip. We are going to one of the biggest lake here in, is it one of the or is the biggest?
One of the biggest lakes.
One of the biggest lakes here in Bavaria area. So we are going to have a bit of a boat ride, and we are taking you guys along. To come along. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're my regular, thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. I do not take that for granted. It's a beautiful sunny day, although it's going to be cloudy later. I don't care about that, because why? So this is Ims, the king of Ondonga, and that's my sister, and this is my husband. Say hi guys.
Hello.
Say something.
Something.
Do you guys love Germany so far?
Oh, well.
How are you liking Germany?
Could use some improvements.
Oh my God. I'm putting this on internet.
Yes.
Cafe, milk.
Ish.
Wait, the military things here? Why? You need the military.
So do you think when the country is peaceful doesn't need military?
You see? Highway. We're driving with the.
I know. How do I need to get
Someone is excited.
Structures are on point so far. And what they need to improve is what I said.
What do they need to improve?
The age. Wait, what does that sign mean? The second one from the, or the one in the second
This
one?
is so beautiful. I think this is
Stau
the
is
Alps.
congestion.
The one on this
And
side.
the other one is saying trucks must not over.
We drove here when it was like winter, freezing cold. Now it's spring. Let me show you guys the beautiful view.
This reminds me of that hotel in Sweden. It looks like
German engineering. Restaurante Citrase.
Oh, there was a rainbow showing on the picture.
Pleasure.
Chiemsee.
Wait, there's parking?
Yeah.
In the...
India. Oh, what is your problem with your nyash? Arande nyuni magofiriza. Biza yoyo bariki yoyo. Awiti mplani andira ndishita bwaro. Maro toranda ndo hakashangwa the name of the city. Uningo o collection ayu ni makoko firiza yo. Tegerera. Aku tegerera haka. So we are now going to take a boat ride. We are going to get tickets first. We will get tickets first. The reception is there, and then we go to the boat. I don't know how long the boat. I don't know how long the boat takes. But there's also a castle, like where we are going. There's also a castle where we are going. I'm so excited to see the castle. Have you been in the castle before?
No.
Are you excited?
Super excited, girl. Usa uno odani ya ni muno ngwere omanya mikucho nelo bomba utiyoko Germany no makasera. Yeah, see. Can you see that?
So the next boat is
Concentrate out.
Hey, we pass here, but...
Ashka, she show.
Huh?
Now we're going in the boats. Babe, can you feel me?
Enter the boats. First time on the boat actually.
Serious?
Like on the boat.
Con Cavango?
Schwan.
Oh yeah, it's so big. Of English is a swan. Swan. Beautiful.
Very beautiful. One leg swimming and the other one coming up later.
Wow.
And I think it knows its worth.
Wow.
Because it's like very classy.
There with the sun is kissing my face.
Welcome.
Welcome and saying which routes they are taking and that the shops or the restaurants now. Yeah, it's not worth taking anything because it's only 50 minutes. It goes this way. It goes around and then that.
And that's a good experience.
Let me make. So guys, we are finally here and we are making a short walk before we go for our paid tour around the castle. Oh, just was this. So yeah. It's a beautiful place, really, really green, and I love it. I'm very unfit, very, very unfit. And it's a bit cold, and I'm wearing a umbrella That's a beautiful plant. So beautiful. More Germany, boy. So guys, this place is so beautiful. Just look at the green and the mountains in the background, and there's animals in the far back end. I don't know if they are visible in this video because I'm also not seeing clearly because of the sun, but I love it. Schloss Chiemsee. Really, really beautiful. So this is, you know, this is my family's first time seeing a castle. So they've never seen a castle before, and I'm happy that they are going to see a castle for the first time. I'm really happy. Really, really happy. So the tour that we'll be taking is not is paid for, and I think there's a tour guide that will be maybe explaining. I think so. That will be explaining for us. So yeah. It's a big places.
Hai, ndazaro kataita kapika ziko Germany.
Oh, konjeni ndarandiruka ndijoka pe kumene
Ni fato si chimembo ngero muno ikutuipe. Tuka nare mo.
ndarandiruka ndijoka pe kumene. Kana ono kwa indakara na ishi bandiruka mbingawe.
Ninajoka video tete matu.
Oh, they also have horses that we were looking from the far distance. Oh my god, I want to see. I'm telling you guys, just look at the belt of flowers. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm sure from up, like with a drone shot, it looks much more beautiful. So let's go and show you guys the beautiful flowers. Let's go. Wow, hey, I love it. So beautiful. Oh my god. I feel like jumping inside and then just lay on the grass. Oh my god. Wow. So this is the castle. There's a restaurant over there. That is the entrance. And we are going in. Let's go. If the photos are allowed, I will take photos. If the videos are allowed, I'll make videos. If not, bye guys. See you tomorrow. So beautiful. Oh my god. So guys, we just finished our tour inside the castle.
very nice.
Unfortunately, we were not allowed to take pictures or videos, but yeah, it is what it is. I cannot make videos, but we're walking on this beautiful path. Look at that, so beautiful. There is fresh air and I love it so much, but it's a bit cold here. I don't know if it's because of the water or something, but it's really beautiful. The history behind these castles in Bavaria, it's funny. Because we were told the King Ludwig had fantasy of just building castles, and some of them he got the inspiration from the So we are here at a viewpoint.
So even if you go to another one, it's still the same.
I'll show you guys the view. It's right in front of me, and I think I'll close off the video after this. So thank you guys for coming with us. Or maybe I'll continue the video, I'm not sure. But this is beautiful. See that? Get me? So on the other side there are people swimming. I wanted to show you guys the 360 of the lake, but it's impossible. So yeah, it is so beautiful here. See, there we are here. My husband knows I'm a content creator and he knows that I love it. Sometimes he even reminds me to do content.
Nice.
Imps, the host with the most. Guys, this is the Allianz Arena.
Allianz. Then it's fine. But if you want to go back, they will ask what's there. Oh, I forgot to use that thing that needs to be said. Yeah.
It's clean, yes. Yes. So beautiful. Biomarkt. Ntuena no biomarkt. Ni mina irongururwa. I think one can never get enough of the English Garden because it's so beautiful. I've been here once, but it seems like I'm doing this for the first time. I'm still wowed by the beautiful nature. Like, so beautiful.
Very beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
I concur with what has previously.
Hot. You conquer.
I concur.
Yo, there are so many. Ooh, I know they were
You know, the
Ooh.
reflection is coming
Yo.
up against you because
Very fascinated about the park. Eh. Hey.
Like inside is the one make your masam.
Oh, Amba. Me agarra no pressure in Jiman. Babe, do they get paid? So they are just doing it for fun.
Yes.
Ambola.
Ngeonde irangeke?
So today we are coming from this side and I'm happy because we came from the other side last time. So beautiful. Munich is so beautiful. First time I did it with my husband. Now I'm showing my family. Franken. Apparently so far she loves the trees and the road.
I can rent cars.
Then Purakucha, what does she love so far about Munich? Apparently it's the trees and the road. No taxi where?
So far the plants, the nature is very good. At the roadside, everything, the infrastructure well intact. Not the cheap types that need to be repaired every other time, but well maintained.
Yeah.
And the fact that you live with the ducks and you don't eat them, the goose, the duck, you don't eat them.
Wow.
See when the person is lying down? Just like, no water. Oh, no, like you need to see them in reality. Capture one moment and you see the rest in reality.
TV. My kids will thank me later. Yo, my mom used to travel. My mom, but not on this bridge. Babe, we have never been here. Beautiful water this side and this side. So beautiful. Traveling in.
There you have these inside the river there. In the summer there's people lying there.
Beautiful.
Yeah, there's already some.
Munich Munich is so beautiful and I'm happy to explore. This time, beautiful Munich. Beautiful, beautiful, clean. Love it. Love it. Love it.
A veces nos toca andar un poco por ya está bien.
Kamu morena deh. Donna for the first time.
This is Donna.
Yes. Donna for the first time. Do you like it?
Yes, very nice.
Do you like it, Pascal?